Hi guys, Charlie from Pafford Homestead here. I'm in the kitchen gonna pressure cook some red beans, Cajun style. And my back's giving out on me because I already made potato salad and standing here cutting everything. Gets rough on this old man. So I still got, I'm gonna put some ham in it. Put that in the freezer a while back. 113. So I've had it a while. I'm gonna dice up some bell pepper. Already got the onion diced up. Got the garlic, I got it diced up. Got some celery I'm gonna dice up. And I got some, I do lots of sausage. I'm gonna throw in there too. Probably just one link. That'll be enough with the ham. So guys, y'all stick around and I'll be back in a flash with everything diced up and ready to go in the pot. See you there. Hey guys, I'm back. Got the sausage cut up. Got garlic ready. Got some wonderful looking ham here. Oh yeah. Got bell pepper and celery cut up, onion cut up. And now I'm fixing to sear some stuff in the pot. Got some butter in there. So, I'm gonna start searing all of this before I throw the beans in. And after I cook the beans for a little while, then I'll throw some more seasonings in it. Find some light here. I need to set up some lights in this kitchen. Anyway, I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, guys. I believe it's about cooked down. Gonna cancel this sear. I'm gonna throw some beans off in here. Already got them strained. So I'll let these soak for 4 hours. So, put that in there. Gotta give it a stir around. How's that look? Now I need to add some water for broth. I think I'll add a couple of tablespoons of this bouillon, Spanish flavored bouillon. The Polo. Add 1 tablespoon. Gotta be careful, this stuff gets salty. 2 tablespoons. That's it. Time to add some water to it. And how much is enough? Got my old trusty pint jelly jar, glass. I love these things. I have 1 pint. I think I'll have 1 more. How about that? 2 pints, that should be plenty. I'll come back and check it after 20 minutes. I think you're supposed to cook it for about 40 minutes, but I'm gonna get halfway through, check it, see if it needs more water, and if it's good, I'll go ahead and add some seasonings to it. Not that it needs a lot more, but let's pressure cook this thing now. Let's get it. Close that lid. Close that seal. Hit pressure cook. 40 minutes. Take it down to 20. And start. So, when it gets hot enough and it comes down, I'll bring y'all back after it cooks for this 20 minutes and see how it looks. Well guys, 20 minutes have went by. And look at that, look at that. That's smelling so good. Look at that. I'm gonna have to give this a taste real quick. Well, it go probably another 20 minutes. But I'm gonna put some Tony's in it now. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. Hey, Mama home. Mama home. That dog goes crazy when Brandy gets home. Not quite as, probably a teaspoon and a half. Onion, garlic powder, black garlic. Not already put the real garlic in, but let's stir that up and see what that's gonna taste like. And I did make a big pot of potato salad too to go with this instead of rice, because I needed to cook the potatoes because they were gonna go bad. Ain't nothing wrong with a pot of beans and potato salad, that's for sure. With all the fixings. Let me get a spoon and give this a taste. I know the beans ain't no good. They need that tasty juice. That ought to work, so I'm gonna put that lid back on. If I know how. There we go. Hit, you got a steaming button. How about that? Pressure cook. Pressure cook. About 20 more minutes. and Brandy's home, so she can have supper in about 20 minutes. So we're gonna check it here in a minute, guys. We'll see you a little later. Well, guys, it's the second 20-minute cook, and let's see what happened. Got juice here. Fogged up the camera.
Juicy.
Come on, camera. There we go. See, I smashed some of the beans up against the wall, and it'll become more creamy. And this kind of beans, I like them creamy. Don't you? No. Since I cooked it, I can make it any way I want to. But they might be ready. I hope. Sure look good.
They smell good too.
Brandy says it smells good too. I had a spoon and it disappeared.
Well,
This Miss Pafford grabbed it and
I washed dishes.
washed it. I think they're done.
Let me be the judge of that. Yep, they're done.
I think we'll get the potato salad out and plate this up, guys.
Yep. Let's plate it up.
Plate it up, Mama says. So we'll be right back while we're plating this up, because she can't open the door because the camera is in the way. That's another thing I made while I was working on the beans. Big old bowl of tater salad.
Tater salad and beans. Can't beat that.
Potato salad and beans. That would be yummy.
Adam, come eat, baby.
It's time to eat.
Yes. See, I put my beans over my potato salad, and he puts his potato salad next to his beans. And he told me, he said, you put your beans on your potato salad? I said, you put gumbo on your potato salad? What's the difference?
No, I put a big clump of potato salad in the middle of the bowl. Then I put the gumbo around it.
That's the same thing.
No, it's not covering it. Anyway, she's already eaten.
Let's try it out. Look at this. Look at this big old ham.
Now, where'd my spoon go? Oh, there. I got the sausage and some beans and some tater salad.
Hot.
It's hot. Yum, 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 yum.
Mmm. That is very good. Potato salad is really good too.
I'll probably use a pressure cooker the rest of my life.
Why didn't you teach me about this sooner?
Now, many a day I wouldn't cook because I did other things around the house and forgot about cooking. If I would have had this pressure cooker, it would be no big deal. Certain things you gotta have so much time to cook. But these beans, cook them in 40 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And you'd have to cook them 3 or 4 hours if you just regular cooking them.
Yep.
Mm.
Shoot, you can throw a whole roast in a pressure cooker and cook it in an hour.
Oh, they did.
I know.
Made tacos out of it.
Yep, and they was really good.
I haven't released that video yet.
Well, by the time you release this video, that video will be released. But this is very good.
Mm-hmm.
The sausage has a bite to it, but it's not too much of a bite to where it makes you just pour sweat.
You like that, Mama?
I like it.
Okay.
I like the ham in it too.
Well, guys, That's another pressure cooking video from Pafford Homestead with Brandy taste testing.
You notice he has to bend down because he's so much taller, and I'm just so short.
She's 5'1", I'm 5'9", so that's quite a bit of difference.
Yeah, it is.
That's all right. I like them short and wild. Mine tastes better.
He knocking the way I eat. Yum, 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 yum.
Well, we love y'all, and please subscribe, ring the bell, so you get more notifications from Pafford Homestead, because we're always doing something.
Give us a thumbs up.
And give us a thumbs up. Bye, y'all.